Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make the no adhesive box. And I have made a few different sizes of these over the years. And this one was our 3D project from Devet that we made at our Glitter Queens retreat. So I fell in love with it, of course. I love everybody's projects. So I wanted to reduplicate it for you guys today. So I'm going to show you how to make this no adhesive box. Isn't it adorable? And I'm going to change it up to make these cute little holders here. And a big shout out to my friend Kathy. She also came to the Glitter Queens retreat, so I'm kind of combining her 3D project with Devet's because I loved her cute little dog and cat, the way she decorated them on her projects. And then on the inside of them, they have like doggy and kitty cat treats. Look how cute. So these are the little doggy milk bones. And then we tied it and we put enjoy, because dog and cats need treats too. So you can give these to trick-or-treaters when they have their pets with them. I don't know if it's like my neighborhood where you live, but I mean, hopefully this year we have trick-or-treating, but sometimes people bring their pets. So it'd be cute to have a little treat for them, right? So this is the no adhesive box. And of course this one has the doggy treats, and then this one has the kitty treats. So let me open this one up. Same idea. This one's got some little kitty food or treats or whatever. I don't know. I'm not really typically a cat person, but I just love these cute little treats for your pets. And then I want to show you up close and then I also want to show you the little kitty cat's shiny little collar with her rhinestones. Isn't that adorable? And then the little dog has a black little rhinestone for a tag. So cute. But we're going to make the dog one today, and we're going to use the basic black cardstock. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and already cut out the basic black piece of cardstock. This piece is cut at 8 by 9 3/4. We're going to score this together. And then I went ahead and already die cut out the little triangles. So these are the brand new stitched triangles. Let me show you. This is the one that we're using. So in your little cluster, like a kind of like a banner triangle, I guess it is. It's the second to the largest one for that one. All right, so you're going to cut out 4 of those. And I'm using the Pampered Pets stamp set, and then also the Playful Pets designer paper. Isn't it cute? All right, and then this is the Pampered Pets stamp set. So I'm using this little dog, and then this was the cat. So cute. So I went ahead and already stamped and cut the dog, punched him out with the 2-inch circle punch, and then the real red is with the 2 1/4 inch. So today's project is just really focusing on the no adhesive box. Okay, so let's grab our paper trimmer. Okay, so remember this piece is cut at 8 by 9 3/4. Just double checking. Yep, so we're going to start on the 9 3/4 inch side across the top, and we're going to score, not cut. So we're going to score at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, and then we're going to turn it on the 8-inch side, and we're going to score this at 2 and 6. Very simple and very cute little box. All right, so let's move our trimmer. So the most important thing to this box, I feel, is to fold both ways on your score lines, because this is going to help your box go together so much easier. So let me just go ahead and fold them all the 2 different ways. Okay, so this is what our box should look like now. So we're going to fold in the sides. So this is the 8-inch side across the top. So we're going to fold in our sides right here. Okay, and then we're going to take the second to the bottom square. So you're going to have a square here. So you got a square here. And then this second square right here is what we're going to fold in. So we're going to take our 2 panels, fold them in, and then we're going to bring in this score line here to the side of the square. And then take your bone folder and burnish that really nice, that fold line. Okay, this is actually going to make in your pocket of your box. Okay, so then the other side, you're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to bring this score line over to the edge, right over here. And then take your bone folder again. Okay, so now it should look like this. So when you fold it, you got your little pouch beginning to fold right here. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over. We're going to do the exact same thing on this side. So the second square, we're going to bring in this side, this score line right here. We're going to bring this over to the edge. And then this one, the exact same thing. Now I'm putting my finger right up here at the score line, so that makes that really nice fold. And then from there, you just guide it into this edge right here, and then press that down on the inside. Okay, so you can see how your little box is going to be forming right here. So this is where you're going to put all your goodies at inside. So let me grab those little bone treats here. Okay, so now this was a little cello bag, and I think there's 4 little milk bones in here. And then we all made a little enjoy tag. Punch that out. And then on the dog one, we have the dog bone. And then on the cat treats, we have the little heart little charm on there. Then we just tied our little bow with their little tag. Isn't that adorable? So we're just going to set that inside. Now, mind you, these don't have to be just for pets. You can put candy in these for Halloween, which, by the way, we're making a Halloween version for the glitter pits. So if you want to check out that replay video, you can check that link down below. So we're just making these into a fun treat thing for a pet. Okay, so you're going to notice that the side panels here, there's one a little bit smaller. So this side is the one I'm going to tuck into this side over here. And it does fit. You're just going to have to really wiggle it in there. Just like that. Isn't that cute? No adhesive needed. I love it. All right, now it's just a matter of decorating it. So we're going to take our 4 triangles, and I'm going to put my glue on that. I'm going to use the liquid glue. And we're just going to decorate each of the sides of the box. And you want to make sure you get down to the points on the triangles. So we're going to put our triangle right up here on this panel. So this would be considered the front of my box, because this is where it's sliding open right here on this side. Okay? You want to make sure you put the glue here at the point. Yep, that one's down good. Okay, isn't it cute? And then we're going to put our little dog onto our real red cardstock. I got some black dimensionals. Pop him up on the circle. We're going to take some more dimensionals and pop him up. I'm going to put him right down the center of the circle. Okay, we're going to decide which is our front. Okay, so this is the side that I want to slide out of my box right here, right? So I want that to be the front of my box right here. So I'm going to put my dog on the front right here. So cute. And then we're going to put a little tag on him. So what I did for mine is I took the basic rhinestones, and you can take a black Sharpie, and I just happen to have the black Stampin' Blends. So what I did with that is I'm just going to color that in just over a rhinestone. And then I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. I've already had one that's colored here. I'm going to take that one. I'm going to put that right on the collar. So cute. Isn't that cute? A no adhesive box. I love it. So there's the black one with the black cardstock. And then here's the one with the real red. And then this one I used the basic gray with the Flirty Flamingo with the same designer paper. And then here's the one we made with the vet. So pretty. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.